Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change TCP and IP settings on your Canon Pixma. So first, let's head over to the settings. Now here, go to the device settings and go to LAN settings. Here select Wi-Fi direct, the wireless direct, click settings and click advanced. Here we will have the TCP IP settings. Here we will have the IPv4. Let's click yes, and here we have the IP address. Here we can set up the automatic way or the manual way. As you guys can see, here we can enter the values from 0 to 255, and that's basically how you guys can easily change your TCP and IP. So here we also have the proxy and DNS server. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.